Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. And then you can see the right hand side, this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. AORUS GTX 1080 Xtreme additional 6G. Then click on the product. So this is 2.0 1.0, so all the installations processing, but this is your motherboard 6G and this is 6G 9G bps. Then click on the product. Then select your operating system, Windows 8, 8, 7, 11, 10. So all the operating system installations process same. So you can see this is audio driver and this is size, and click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Open, you can start downloading and it will complete then 4 to 5 minutes, and then click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.